Okay, everybody, now here's point slope form, which I have to say is my absolute favorite form of a line. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The m still stands for slope. You can do that from rise over run, delta y over delta x, your formulas, or my shortcut method that I'll show you here with the L. The x1 and y1 are representative of any point that you choose on the line. So the y and the x are your variables. They stay letters, y and x. They represent whatever it is in the situation we're looking at. But the x1 and y1 will eventually be numbers. So I want to write the equation of the line that goes through these 2 points here. It goes through 6, 0, which is my x-intercept, not my y-intercept, notice, and negative 4, 3. And so again, notice I don't know the y-intercept. That's why I'm using this format. I'm going to calculate my slope by using what I call the L method. Can I draw this L in here? And you subtract vertically. So 3 minus 0 becomes 3. Negative 4 minus 6 actually becomes negative 10. So my slope here is negative 3/10. It's negative. It's decreasing. That makes sense. 3 over 10, I could count that. 1, 2, 3 is my drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is my run. And so y minus y1, I actually have two versions here. Let's use the first point. Y minus y1, my y1 would be 3 equals m, negative 3/10, times x minus x1. So x minus a negative 4, so x plus 4. So there's the first version of that line. Or a second version, if I use the other points, let me switch to red here. If I use 6, 0, y minus 0 equals negative 3/10 x minus 6. Both these equations, if you were to rearrange it, would give you the same slope-intercept form, but they're in point slope form. So both of these are correct because I can use either point when I plug in with that same slope. So that's point slope form. Again, if you want to find the x-intercept, you got to plug 0 in for y. If you want to find the y-intercept, you got to plug 0 in for x. We didn't have the y-intercept to start. So again, which information you get depends on how you're going to start on some of these lines. And you saw that in the homework yesterday. Sometimes the slope-intercept was really quick, sometimes it wasn't.